Hi there everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing. Again, on this channel, unboxings are a chance for you to see what's going to be coming up in future reviews. So it came from Amazon, but I don't have to actually unbox very much because this is one of those Amazon deliveries where most of the work has been done for me already. So let's take a look at it. Now, this is the Smiger ukulele, and they're a newer brand on the market. Let's open this guy up. It's all taped on the bottom. All right, we got it. Okay. Let's see if we can get this guy open. Not quite on the top yet. There we go. Here we go. Alright, so inside the box there is a kit of things we'll take a look at in a second. And then the ukulele. Let's look at the kit first. So the kit comes with a tuner, that's nice, a cleaning cloth, which is going to be important, an extra set of ukulele strings in a neat pouch, looks like an aluminum cable, which is nice, and then a couple picks. Again, picks are not needed. You could go with a leather pick or a felt pick, but plastic picks are not really great, and that's going to be exceptionally true with this ukulele. So I'll put that to the side. Let's take a look at the ukulele. The material of the ukulele is kind of a nylon, shiny nylon, black nylon. No problem with that. Unpadded but wide handle. Couple of unpadded but again nicely with shoulder straps that are permanently connected. Small pocket on the front, but you don't need to store a lot of things there. So there is the small pocket. I think it was open. Let's double check it. And let's take a look on the inside and see what we've got here. Alright, decent amount of padding, maybe 5 millimeters or so. So the case will do what it needs to do. Not much else to say there, but hey, it's an okay case. And it's going to come from the bottom up. So let's review it the other way. Here we go, coming from the bottom, going up to the very, very top. Now it comes with a sticker that says they are D'Addario strings, so they'll have that purple hue, and they definitely do. Take a look what we've got here. This is a Ziricote ukulele, and I do have another Ziricote ukulele, a Luna. And I know Callow makes one, and there's one other company that makes a Ziricote. For sure the Bondi does as well. But it has a really arched back. You can see the bulge there in the light when I go over those edges. So it has a really curved back. The finish is gloss, and it's going to get fingerprints all over it. It has a comfort edge. Believe it or not, this is the first ukulele that I've seen in person with a comfort edge. Let's see, some other things. It's a string-through bridge with some extra cymbals right there. It is a non-compensated saddle. You have an abalone sound hole with an abalone, that'd be a purfling. And then you have a red binding with black purfling underneath on the front and back, so you've got the paduk there. And then you just have the book matched Ziricote. Now this is a laminate. This is not solid Ziricote, but that's pretty typical for a Ziricote uke. Now the neck is gloss, so some people will not like that. It does come with strap buttons on the bottom and the top. The tuners are unbranded, but they actually seem a little smaller than typical, and black to go with the other hardware. And overall, I mean, it's a lot to look at, but it is really pretty. Ziricote is such a pretty wood as you look at it. So let's tune this up and just get a first glance at it. It's relatively in tune, not in tune, but relatively. One more time. All right, gives you a first opportunity to hear what that sounds like, and yeah, just looking at it's really a pretty ukulele. This is really quite the looker. Look at that headstock, the matched headstock. That's kind of a neat effect too, because they've taken two ends, putting it together to get that sort of pattern there. The sides, check out the side patterns. That seems book matched pretty well. The bottom, the back, and of course you've got your front. So it's a really pretty wood. It will really catch the eyes of people, and no sharp fret ends. So we'll take a look at this one in depth in a couple weeks with the full review. So here it is, the Smiger or Smiger Ziricote with that comfort edge right there. Nice to look at. All right, thanks for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.